welcome back. Glossybox is here, and I've got a small confession to make. I've had a sneaky peek as to what's in. I watched someone unbox it and I'm not pleased. So we'll dive into this together and we'll see what the offending item was. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Hit the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Now, Glossybox is a beauty subscription service, and once a month you can get a beauty box delivered to your door. I can't remember off the top of my head what I pay. It kind of just goes out and I just expect the box, but I will put the details in the description box down below. This is a very hit and miss box for me. I'm totally honest. I like honest opinions, so yeah, I'm not always overjoyed when this arrives. I think they do their best, but I think they could do better. But hey ho, I'm trying not to be too mean. I'm just underwhelmed with this one this month, I'm afraid. The box always comes very well presented. You know, I can never fault that. I do love the way it looks. You get your magazine, and it gives you all of kind of like the information on the items inside. And this month's theme is Dreaming of Paradise, which is cool. And I understand, as an extra little treat this month, if you find a golden ticket, if you're lucky enough to find a golden ticket in your box, and it says here, have you found a golden ticket hidden away in your Glossybox this month? If so, congratulations, you're a winner. Woohoo! No, you haven't won a lifetime supply of chocolate, I'm afraid. Something much better than that. We have teamed up with I Saw It First to treat over 100 lucky glossies to some new summer fashion Sharpies. Woohoo! There's £120 vouchers up for grabs, as well as two incredible £1,200 vouchers to be won. That's officially an ISF wardrobe for a year. So if you're lucky enough to get a golden ticket, well done and congratulations. I don't win anything. I can't even win an argument, so let alone a whole year's wardrobe, but we will see. Each box is guaranteed a value of £50 or over, and quite often they are well over £50. They will put quite high value items in there. I think we've had boxes that are valued over £100, which I think is fabulous because it's a very low priced box. Mine's like £12, I think, £12.95 a month, maybe less. So, you know, that's good value for money, really. I'm waffling again. I'm going to show you the sneak peek for next month. I'm really intrigued with this and I'm very interested. So if you don't want to see it, close your eyes now. And there we go. I'm sorry, it's rather small, so you might struggle to see it. But there we go. You can open your eyes now. Taking it away. And let's dive into this box. Like I said, it's always very well presented. This one's a pink one. They have been doing sort of lots of themed coloured boxes, which is quite cool. Here is a cheeky sneak peek. There we go. Like I say, I always drop something. Trip over my words, and I think that was a glass bottle. So I'm hoping it's not all over my floor. Excuse me. No, we're lucky, it's plastic. So I'm hoping I didn't show too much breast there. I do apologise. I'm not used to wearing kind of dresses like this, and it's, you know. We will dive into this one first. And it's the Mitchell and Peach. It's an English leaf body oil. Now, I'm not a huge fan of body oils. I use them occasionally. I won't say I'm not a huge fan. I'm just not a huge user. I much prefer body butter or a body lotion. A dry oil will be good, but I do tend to find oils very greasy. Let's give it a sniff. It doesn't really smell of anything. As you can see, there's not a kind of like inner cap on it, so that has the potential to go everywhere. But you know, I will give it a go. If not, I will pass that on to my mum, because my mum uses oils, so I will see if she will get on with it. And it says it's the Mitchell and Peach. It's full size and it's English leaf body oil, and it's containing almond oil and vitamins E for nourishing body oil, leaves skin feeling soft and scented, reminiscent of freshly cut meadow grass. Not healthy cut grass, freshly cut grass. It didn't really smell very grassy to me. I'm not a fan of that kind of grassy, intense smell. I don't mind I've just cut my lawn, but no, that I don't know if I'd be keen on it. It says this oil is fragranced with English leaf, a blend of soft citrus, coriander, basil, mint and floral oils from the Mitchell estate. So that's quite cool. So it's sort of like homegrown, which is quite nice. Now don't go down to your allotment and start cutting stuff up, blending it down with vegetable oil. Oh, I kind of got visions of that now. And it's retails at £23, which is quite cool. That's, you know, a nice value. The second item in the box is the Batiste. It's dry shampoo and it's blush. It's the Flirty Floral. Now I'm not going to spray this about because I'm going to pop this in my giveaway. I don't use dry shampoos, as if you've been with me for a while you'll know that I work in healthcare, so it's constant showering and constantly having to wash your hair. I have overwashed flyaway hair, which I know isn't great, but it's what you've got to do to keep yourself safe and other people around you, so I don't use it. I will pop this in the giveaway, so a lucky person will get it. And it is the Deluxe Mini. It has a value of £1.80 and the full size is 200ml, which is £2.99. So, you know, it's quite affordable, which is cool. And it says a burst from this can of magic removes oil effectively to leave your tresses feeling fabulous, with an aroma of romantic rose notes and flirty feminine scents of lily, peony and freesia. This blush dry shampoo will give your hair a new lease of life between washes, which is great. You know, if you wash your hair a couple of times a week and you just need something to freshen it up, absolutely fabulous. But mine gets washed almost daily, so, you know, there's not really much point in me using it. The next item is the sneaky peek from last month, and I'm really looking forward to trying this. It's the Nip and Fab Illuminate, and it's the Vitamin C Scrub Fix, which is cool. So we've got, you know, like a nice facial exfoliant there. And I do love a physical scrub on the face rather than a chemical one. I do use chemical ones, but I do prefer a good physical scrub. And it says it's the Vitamin C Scrub Fix, energising and illuminating. This exfoliating scrub is infused with vitamin C, coffee seed extract and coconut oil to effectively cleanse, nourish and renew your skin. These key ingredients also aid the reducing of appearance of fine line, wrinkles and softening your complexion. And it's full size and its retail value at £12.95, which is quite cool. And it says for best results use on a damp clean skin. I've noticed they've started putting little top tips in here like Look Fantastic do, which is quite cool. I like that. I'm going to give it a sniff actually and see if it does smell like vitamin C. Well, not vitamin C, but orange. Everything seems to smell like orange if it's got vitamin C. Oh, it's sealed. I don't like those fussy seals. Doesn't really smell of anything, so that's quite cool. So I'm looking forward to trying that one. The next item we've got, which is the offending item, and this is Citroban. It's Dermalogical Citroban cream. It's for dry skin. If you've got eczema, this is quite good. I'm just disappointed with this because I use this all the time at work. This is what I kind of associate with a pharmaceutical product, not something that I expect to find in a beauty box. It's really disappointing. I'm not going to use this at home. I will donate it. I'll probably take it into work with me and see if anybody needs it. So I'm going to keep it sealed. But why on earth would you put something like this in a summer box? You know, dreaming of paradise and lying next to the pool is kind of like the theme, and you put something in there for eczema and severely dry skin. They could have taken it in so many different other directions if you wanted to moisturise dry skin. So that has ticked me off. It has ticked me off. And I spoke to a friend and she wasn't pleased with hers either. So, you know, it's just something that is really disappointing, and that is what really frustrates me with Glossybox, because it's kind of like, don't worry about it, we'll just throw this in. And it's yeah, ugh, sorry, I'm getting angry. But that's how I feel, I'm afraid. And it's a Deluxe Mini. Now, that stuff can be quite pricey. The bigger pots are you know, expensive. And it says, dreaming of super soft hydrated skin this summer? Soothe, hydrate and repair your dry skin with Citroban cream, a smoothing formula that helps protect against irritants and lock in moisture. This cream is ideal for those with skin in need of an extra moisture boost, as well as being suitable with eczema. People with eczema prone skin, like I said. If you've got eczema, you've probably got an absolute shed load of that in the cupboard. So, you know, that is really annoying. They could have just gone for a really gorgeous, rich body butter, or even a body lotion. It's just why that, and then you've got a body oil in there as well. So why do you need something like that too? They could have put in, like Look Fantastic did, a body buffer brush or something like that. No, that's, I'm sorry, that has very much frustrated me. And it's $2.99 in value. Like I said, it's the Deluxe Mini. So yeah, rather frustrating. The next item we have is, it's called a wee Cherie. And this packaging looks absolutely, it's so cute. I like cherries, and it's from the Beauty Crop. And it is a pH changing hydrating lip oil. So we've got another hydrating product. So they are definitely going down the lines of hydration for the summer, which is, you know, it's okay. Just don't put Citroban in there. And that's what it looks like. So this pH changing, it will change colour on your lips depending on your pH levels. So it can go kind of like a pinky, a red, it can go orange. You know, you're not going to end up with bright blue lips, but it will change colour to a certain degree. I don't know if it will change on the back of my hand. Let's give it a go. Just let it sit for a minute. Doesn't really, oh, it's got like a sweet candy kind of smell. Getting a subtle hint of cherry. But as you can see, there we go, it's, you know, it's a nice oil. It's kind of, it's got a light kind of pinky colour on my hand, which is quite nice. But I will try that out this evening when I do my nighttime skincare and just see what kind of colour it goes on my lips. So let's give you some information. And it says, for gorgeously kissable lips, look no further. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment will gloriously enhance your pout's natural colour whilst making your lips super smooth. Enriched with a lip-loving cherry oil blend, your lips are sure to be kept unbelievably soft and nourished day to night. And it retails at £13 and it's full size, which is cool. So yeah, that's nice. I quite like that. I'm not a massive user of lip oils. It's getting pinker. And it does smell more like cherries now. And they've got a top tip, and it says layer to intensify your tint and create your desired look, which is quite cool. And I have just noticed, wow, this is weighty. There's a little food treat. Now, Glossybox is this to take the sting away from the Citroban. Sorry, I'm just joking. This feels really heavy. And it says it's a new recipe. It's from Kind. And it's dark chocolate, nuts and sea salt. You've got 60% nuts. It's gluten-free, high in fibre, no artificial colours, flavours or preservatives. Ingredients you can see and pronounce. This was made for me. Which is quite cool. There's 214 calories in the whole bar, which is nice. If you're calorie counting like I am, that will be a nice treat. And I think I will share that with my partner. But that feels really heavy. Yeah, so thank you very much for the nice treat though, Glossybox. A bit crazy if you've got a nut allergy though. So I don't know how very well thought out that was. That kind of, yeah, just popped into my head, dark chocolate nuts. If you've got a nut allergy, you're going to be a bit bummed out, aren't you? Because you can't eat it. You shouldn't even have it in the house. So yeah, but you know, I'm okay with nuts. I'm going to finish off my tea because it's now going cold. So what did you think of this month's box? I feel like I've ranted a bit today. I do apologise. I'm just disappointed and underwhelmed. Like I said, Glossybox just seemed to throw any old thing in. And yeah, as a thought, it has nuts in it. And it's not suitable for everybody, so it's not really inclusive. And that can be darn right dangerous. So yeah. Sorry. I'm going to take a cup of tea and calm down. So yeah, there are a few products in there that I'm very looking forward to trying. The Nip and Fab, absolutely fabulous. I've not used a Nip and Fab item for quite a while, so I'm looking forward to trying that. The lip oil, it's getting progressively pinkier on the back of my hand. What else? Yeah, and it's just a bit disappointing. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts were on this box. If you were overexcited or underwhelmed like I was. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.